Hello friends, today we are making bechamel sauce. The amounts in the recipe are for 2 kilograms of sauce, and this is a very large amount because I'm making a very large lasagna. So you probably need less. Divide the recipe as much as you need, by 2, by 4, by 8 times. Let's begin with pouring milk into a saucepan and adding salt, pepper, nutmeg, and putting it on the stove. Now put the butter in a pan and melt it. When it's fully melted, then we will be adding the flour. Now when the butter has melted, we are adding the flour and continuously stirring it up until it's getting browned up, the mass. So in my case, because I have a little bit larger amount, it took about 4 minutes, but it can take 2-3 minutes. Now let's add the flour and the butter to the milk, and we will be continuously stirring through the whole process. We are not stopping stirring. The mass need to get thickened up, and how thick you would see in the video. The mass need to drip from the spoon, but you will see it in a minute. Now our sauce is ready. Look at the consistency. That's what you need to see with your sauce. So when you see it, it's done. You can take it off the heat and you can add it immediately to your dish, or you can save it for later. If you are saving it for later, cover it with a plastic wrap, and the plastic wrap need to touch the sauce. If you see the video of crème pâtissière, it's the same. You need to cover the plastic wrap that it would be touching the sauce, so that it won't get a crust, it won't oxidize. Okay, enjoy. Our sauce is ready, and bon appetit.